Now, if we take a look at the two triangles here on the board here, we'll see that none of the two triangles is a right angle triangle. This is an acute angle triangle. This is also an acute angle triangle. Now, they ask us to find all the unknown sides of this triangle. And so I have to find that small letter B. Like I told us, this triangle is labeled as capital letter A, capital letter B, capital letter C. So any side that faces this capital letter A is our small letter A. Any side that faces this capital letter C is our small letter C. Any side that faces this capital letter B is our small letter B. So the angle here for capital letter A is 48 degrees, capital letter C is 72 degrees. So we are asked to find small letter C, small letter B, and the capital letter B. That means an angle. Now, the first thing to ask ourselves is that, what am I applying? We know that this is not a right angle triangle. So anything Pythagoras theorem, trig ratios, don't work here. Don't work here. Either we use sine rule or cosine rule. Now, how will I know the one to use? This sine rule I will use or cosine rule I will use. Now, that's the question we ask ourselves. Now, if you look at these triangles, you will discover that there is an angle given, and this side is facing this angle. This side is facing this angle. While this angle is facing this unknown side. That means we have to use sine. We have to use sine rule. According to the principles that I gave the other time, that sine can only be used when there is an angle facing one side. When the side is facing an angle. So that is when sine rule is applicable. And this side, known, facing this angle, known. But this angle facing this unknown side. Or if this side, if it is given and this angle is not given, so we can use sine rule. Now, that means cosine rule cannot work here. Because cosine rule can only work when there are two sides given and there is an angle included. There is an angle included, like this second triangle. We are given two sides. We are given two sides, and there is an angle included in between these two sides. It shows that cosine rule can be used. Cosine rule can be used. Now, to solve this first one, now that we know that we can only use sine, and the formula for sine rule, like we stated the other time, A over sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C. Or it's still the same thing if you see another place, write sine A over A equals to sine B over small letter B equals to sine C over small letter C. Yes, it's still the same thing. You will see how the same will come to the same answer. Now, like I've said earlier, all these small letters, they are for sides, and all these capital letters, they are for angles. Now, go to the one given completely. What do I mean given completely? The one that is the side facing an angle. Those ones are complete. That means this is a side, this is an angle. So that means side A is 7 centimeter over 48, that is sine 48, equals to, I'm actually looking for this C first, small letter C, and then C over sine 72 degree. So I will use this to get this side, small letter C. What do I do? I will cross multiply. That means